Hey y'all, this is Ryan's right back with Adventures. Tonight I am just cooking some supper, bored, snowed in, making some videos. Don't make a lot of videos. Yes, I know I need a new baking tray. It is what it is, it's old. But tonight, like for breakfast, I made myself a T-bone, so tonight I'm doing a New York strip with some crawdads. Follow along. So I got my tin full out. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to build a little boat with this. It'll probably be really noisy. We'll see though. So the little boat had to become a much bigger boat. Yeah, I didn't think that through. Anyway, this is going to hold the crawdads because I'm also grilling the crawdads. For the crawdads, I'm just going to do some Cajun seasoning. Oh, caught that. Nice. Cajun seasoning. But you'll see the reason I made the boat. There's the New York strip right there. Show you how to fix that up. But first, I need to add some butter to my foil. Should do it for the butter on that. And now I'm going to season this steak up. First, obviously, salt. Garlic powder. Paprika. I think I need some more damn paprika. You know what? We use chili powder then. Onion powder. And Cajun. Now I'm gonna do the same. I'm just gonna rub it. Same thing on this side. Just for reference, y'all, when I said to get the grill ready, that's how thick of a layer of ice was over the grill. Next thing I'm gonna do is I melted this cup of butter, and I'm just gonna glaze butter over both sides of the steak. I'll show y'all why. So while the grill warms up, I'm gonna take this steak and I'm gonna put it in the fridge. And I'm gonna let that butter harden over both sides of that there steak. Back to the freezing rain and sleet again, I see. How fun. So what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna do a medium-high heat. Take our steak, and I'm gonna do 1 minute on each side at first. Obviously can't forget about our boat of crawdads here. And now I'm gonna put y'all back here. And move that steak over a little bit. Give y'all some room. Alright, I'm just gonna add probably about another minute since I opened it up. We ran out of propane, I'll be danged. Gotta do a emergency tank switch real quick. Now we're back to cooking with fire. Yeah, there we go. All right, another minute to be added, dang. Alrighty, let's give that steak there a first little flip. Okay, yeah, that's about what I wanted. I want to do 1 minute on this side as well. And then I'm going to turn it back down to a low and let it simmer on top for a little bit. Alrighty, y'all, it's been about a minute, so I'm going to take this down. I'm going to take our steak. Oh yeah, see, looking good. Both sides. I'm going to take her up here. Let her just chill. And give the crawdads a little more time. All right, y'all, it's been 3 minutes. Let's see how that other side's looking. Maybe about 1 more minute. All right, y'all, let's get this stuff off the grill. Oh yeah, much more satisfactory than this morning. And there you have it, y'all. Thank you for coming cooking with me. And please like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a good night.